Hello and welcome to the channel. It's your girl, the one-handed gardener from Growing Through the Window. I thank you for coming and watching and supporting in any way. For my new subscribers, my regulars, and even those who are just watching, your watching and your likes are really helping my channel along. So thank you all. This week I went and bought the edible flower seeds and the pots from this place, Farm and Garden Express. I decided to bring you along, so I hope you enjoy this mini vlog as I will show you what is in this place and all the different things that I see that I can use in future. Hold your pot, hold your fart, hold your seeds, and come, let's get into this video. We get here by the seeds, and this was a lot of flower seeds. All of these seeds were flower seeds, and only a fraction were edible flower seeds. But it was good to see a lot of flower seeds, and you could really beautify your space from all of these seeds. So I made sure I showed you all of these seeds. I had to think hard of what I really was getting, and after a long time I found it. Then when I saw the amount of different pots and planters. But wait, before we see those pots, let's find out what the Lord has for us this week. Colossians 2:7. Rooted and built up in him and established in the faith, as ye have been taught, abounding therein with thanksgiving. As a plant is rooted in the earth, so should we as humans have a foundation to be rooted on. And who or what foundation is best for us? God, Yahweh, the ultimate earth that we should grow from. And we should be always thankful, because we know that once we are rooted in him, our foundation is sure in him, we will grow and our faith will be as a beautiful flower that has bloomed. Thank you, Lord. It was like a mini heaven for planters. Then we were coming up to some pots that caught my eye. I chose this pots, and my daughter, whose hand you are seeing, she collected it for me. So I'm just showing you some more pots, the pots and different items for gardening. My husband was my wheelchair chauffeur. I was impressed in what I saw, and I know when I am able to get my home is going to look good, because I know where to come and get planters and pots at a very reasonable price. So enjoy the rest of the video. my daughter decided she wants to grow a flower too. So you know how these children are. I was enjoying the different sizes, design, the color of this oil. The pots were really inviting. Everything that you need for a successful garden, and big or small, is here. Plant food, nets, pesticides, everything that you need for your garden is here. And I was so happy. I was real happy. I bought 2 different types of pots and 3 different types of seeds. So we're back home and we're going to plant these flower seeds, carnation and chrysanthemums. If I pronounce that incorrect, well, my straw mouth. Here's my one pot, and I will put carnation in this one and chrysanthemum in the other. I have no camera person today, so you won't be able to see me filling the pot from above. I don't know what else I could get so that I could attach the phone to be over, so that you could have overhead shots. I don't know, so that my hand could be free. Bear with me. So this is the carnation. Trying this with my one hand because you can't always ask for help. Sometimes there won't be help for you in some situations, so you have to fight to get the things that you need done. I'm still fighting, but I'm winning. I'm sowing the seed itself, so I didn't know I have another container. My teeth will have to work. I got it. Open. Wow. These seeds. I hope that you can see 5 small seeds. I'm going to just put them in the pot. I did not know you could eat carnations. I have eaten the other chrysanthemums. So there. Well, they're in. I know that you cannot see them. I can't even see them, but they're there. Please follow these simple instructions so that you could help my channel and my videos grow. Thank you so much for your support. Covering them now. Little water, a little prayer. Oh yeah, please be with these flowers. Let them grow. In your son's name, amen. And we will just wait. So I will do the same with the other but that will be chrysanthemums. Oh, before I leave, yes, this pot is still going. It's so good. All of the parsley has been used, and I pulled up the root. Yes, this side is still going. We still haven't done anything to this lettuce, and the celery is still going good. And I have topped up this pot with some fresh earth. Right, so this is still good. We're going to do some chrysanthemums over here. It takes about 14 to 21 days to germinate. It's great for pots and garden beds, and 15 to 20 weeks, then you will get flowers. As a person with a disability, having one hand, you have to find different ways to do small things. These are the seeds, very small. You can hardly see them. Here we prepare them again, and it's done. So that was 2 pots of flowers, and we will see. You know the 80 pots that I have up on my community tab asking you to vote. So on Wednesday I will know what to plant in this pot. That was planting of the edible flowers. I am excited about this new adventure. My friends in the disabled community get planting or sewing or knitting or riding or swimming, whatever hobby you want to do. It is possible. Just push yourself and you will get it done. If you have to talk to someone to encourage you some more, or to inspire you on the way, do it. And also those who are not in in this community, do something. Brighten up your house, brighten up your apartment, your little space. Plant a flower, and you can eat it. And I know your food will taste better because you know that you have grown it. So until next week, bye bye.